is 2 laps around this Kingdom track. TK, take us through it.
Pilots take off toward the U.S. Air Force Gate, making a right turn to loop through the City Gate. They make a left turn through the T-Mobile Gate to then launch to the Cloud, making a hairpin turn, diving down to the Dragonfly Gate. Pilots swarm around and through the Algorand Split S Gate before flying through the Wickets and up to the Points Cache Sky Gate. They then dive through the U.S. Air Force Gate for lap 2 or head straight toward the finish.